As today's technologies are replaced by the next generation of smart wearables, portable medical devices, and IoT technologies, everything is becoming smaller and more advanced. Design engineers face a critical challenge. How do you maintain top-level performance in ever-shrinking spaces? Introducing the NanoT Tactile Switch Series from Littelfuse, the smallest IP67-Rated tactile switch designed to solve that very problem. Space is precious in modern electronics. Devices are smaller, thinner, and more powerful than ever. With the NanoT switch, Littelfuse offers a space-saving, high-reliability solution, giving engineers the flexibility to enhance functionality while reducing the overall size of their designs. The NanoT series is not only the smallest tactile switch on the market, but it also comes with a suite of advanced features perfect for today's compact designs, including ultra-compact size with top and side actuation options, saving up to 35% of space. IP67-rated waterproof and dust-tight sealing for reliable operation in harsh environments. Actuation force options are available to enhance user experience. Operating temperature range of -40 degrees Celsius to 85 degrees Celsius, ensuring durability in extreme conditions. Lifespan of up to 300,000 cycles, reducing the need for maintenance or replacement. The NanoT tactical switches are ideal for various electronics applications, from smart wearables and health monitoring devices to hearing aids, wireless headsets, and portable IoT solutions. The NanoT tactile switch is engineered for a wide range of applications. Designed for industries where reliability, compact size, and user experience are crucial, the NanoT switch enables engineers to deliver innovative products without compromising on performance. Discover how the NanoT Tactile Switch Series can empower your next generation of devices. For datasheets, samples, and more information on the NanoT series tactile switches, visit littelfuse.com.